When the power goes down, I'll be the only one on the block with electricity. My laundry room has basically turned into a mini power station. It's my time to shine. My wife is happy, the neighbors are jealous, and I'm sitting over here feeling like a boss. And these two massive 16 kilowatt hour batteries is what is actually giving power to this house. This includes lights, refrigerator, internet, TV, all of the wall plugs, freezers, fans, and even my air conditioner window unit. Most people spend their entire lives depending completely on the electric company. Every month there's another electric bill, another increase, another power outage, another situation where you're pretty much dependent on them, and there ain't really nothing you can do about it. But systems like this are beginning to change that. And the crazy thing is the technology. This battery is over 16 kilowatt hours, and with two of these batteries, it's equivalent to having 6 100 amp hour server rack batteries. It's a great candidate for off-grid systems or for using it as a DIY backup system at your house like I have. Back charge the batteries through the solar inverter here in case the solar panels couldn't keep up or keep the batteries charged. So if you want them for a low price like that, you might ought to jump on it as quickly as possible. Or see, the best way for me to show you what it's running is to go into the main breaker panel here and just shut off the 200 amp main breaker. Now, as you can see, just about nothing in the house has quit. Nothing's quit running. So everything in here is still going. Everything in here is still going. Fans and lights, more fans and lights, TV, internet, front and back porch lights, my air conditioner window unit, lights here in the hallway, the bedroom, the bathroom. And yeah, guys, pretty much everything that I consider essential. So there it is. Tell me what you think.